Hello.
Okay, so we're at Walmart because we gotta shop and stuff. So it's gonna be a shopping vlog. Someone's coming. When you're in someone's way, you guys are. You guys are in the way.
If there was another aisle, he could have been on the other side.
So we're going to shop, try to find something. So yeah, I just sat in a giant unicorn float. So I'll post the picture here.
And it was really awesome.
I want it. Is it just me or does she look pretty rough in this? It's pretty scary. Alright,
Look at
so
the
yeah.
balls. Fried box. Feel me. Feel me. How do you feel?
Right there.
Ow.
Lord
They're
help me.
squishy.
Does anyone else come and play with these things? Like, oh my god. But I'm not the only one playing with toys.
That is cool. Starting it up. Look at I'm gonna get one in the back.
Mom, what are you doing?
Wait, helicopter. What's this one?
Mom, what are you doing?
Is that a turn?
Mother. I swear she ignores on purpose.
We're gonna pick one out for Mason.
Why do you ignore me? Why do you ignore me?
Oh, you wanna get any bows? Well, how about
I'm gonna pick, Brittany.
I guess we'll make Auntie happy.
and then this here.
Because I picked out everything else.
It's hotter than booty in here.
Where we go? You said over here because we're going out that door. Alright, let's go to this line.
It's hotter than booty in here.
Oh, I
I'm
like
tired.
that blue dress too. Though.
Brittany, no.
Okay.
Come on, stop.
Good lord. It's hotter than booty in here. I'm tired.
Don't you know you always go with your first choice?
I'm tired.
Because in the end, that's the choice you really want.
They just cry. Are you listening to me?
What?
It's hotter than booty in here.
It sure is.
I'm tired, so my eyes are like, well. And I just want to go home and eat and lay down and watch a movie. Do you want to watch a movie?
Not like last night.
We watched Hush. So if you're looking for a scary movie, watch Hush because it's really good and scary. And she was like literally like screaming. It was so funny. Should have been there. I should have vlogged it. But of course I forgot because I haven't vlogged in forever. I said yeah. Oops, you're dumb. Good job.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Playground.
Shh. Alright, so we are done with Walmart.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
And run on the what?
And run on the what?
Andrew,
I'm
she's
sharing a Coke with my nephew, Andrew. A little backwards on there, but...
A little backwards?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, so I think we're on our way home. And look at the sky. I don't know if you can tell,
Yes, we need to be going down and staying.
but it's scary.
We
So
are going to have a good dinner when we get home.
we're gonna go home and yeah, we're gonna have, what is it?
Pork roast.
Pork roast for dinner.
Potatoes, sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut potatoes.
It will taste really good.
Sauerkraut. That should be potatoes and sauerkraut together.
Yes, it should be.
We just started something. All right. So, and we're probably gonna just relax, and I'm gonna watch like not YouTube, Netflix.
Correction. We're going to make hats.
Oh.
For my pre-K.
We're gonna try to make hats because I've already tried and failed. Ooh, what's that?
I'm going to try.
What is that?
What is what?
What are they selling?
What are they selling?
Teamonade.
Kisses.
It's Teamonade. tea and lemonade
That would be it.
for some person. I think she has cancer, I don't know. But look how white I look.
Post us making pictures.
It takes,
making hats.
no, we'll record us making it. This should be interesting because we're not very artistic, so yeah. Okay, so now we're home and we're trying to make these hats, and she's
And they're not easy to
no.
do.
She's trying to like do it and stuff, but basically like this one is like cut, if you can see them. But we thought maybe like just folding it and gluing it down would be easier, so we'll show you if they turn out, but I'm not really sure because we don't know what we're doing, so yeah. Okay, so we finished the hats. Oh. We have a whole bag full. Right here. It's a garbage bag full. Because she has to take them to school, whatever. I actually left her and was like, okay, I'm done. Because I didn't want to do it, but... What are you watching?
Your vlog, of course. So subscribe. Subscribe to Callie Struble. Subscribe, I said.
Subscribe. So...
Don't shut the front door.
Alright, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below.
Pretty.
Comment below. I don't know. Just comment below something. And yeah. This wall's vibrating in my head. Thanks for watching.